Hi, today I'm going to teach you a few Sun Style Tai Chi or Tai Chi Chuan forms. We're going to do brush knee, play the lute, parry and punch, and then I call it receive the tiger, push the mountain. So this is by request of one of my YouTube viewers who is learning Sun Style and asked if I would review or teach that segment. So I'm real happy to do this, and I'm hoping that if you like it, that maybe you'll leave a comment below and ask, make a request of something that you would like me to teach, whether it's Sun Style or Yang Style, Chen Style. I also do Qigong. So feel free to make your request or leave a comment below. Now, this form in our Sun Style Tai Chi always leads in with a brush knee. And I'm going to assume that you know some Tai Chi forms. If not, just fake it till you make it and keep your alignment, and that'll be good. What we'll do is we're going to do our brush knee to a 90-degree to your left. That means then your weight is currently on your right foot, your right hand is up, and your left is underneath, like so. And just let your elbows hang, much like you would let your heel hang in your follow step. Now, you're going to make a 90-degree turn. You don't have to go 90 degrees if it bothers your knee. You can go a little bit less if needed. So we'll just turn and then take a small step with your left foot, transfer your weight, pick up the right foot, follow step. And then there's just a little bit of a continued rotation as if you were pushing into a marshmallow. That's brush knee. Let's do that a few times. Make sure you can see me. We are here. This foot's in an empty stance right now. And let your elbows hang. Turn the whole body, take a small step, weight shift completely, pick up the back foot, follow step. And I'm just going to call this little last essence deliver, meaning that we're just delivering a little bit of power here. Okay? Good. Let's do it a couple more times. Oh, we'll turn, not too big of a step, transfer your weight, pick up, follow step, deliver. Very good. Now, if you haven't watched my video on follow stepping, I really encourage you to do that because that's the foundation of all of these movements in Sun Style Tai Chi. And here we are. Oh, 90-degree turn. Weight shift, follow step, and deliver. Very good. So that is the lead-in, and that brush knee is a transitional movement, if you will, or a lead-in to many of the Sun Style form flow. In that regard, let's try it to the right then. So now you're on your left foot and your left hand up, right underneath. Empty stance here. And when you turn 90 degrees, the foot just goes with you. Then weight shift and follow step, push into that marshmallow. Yep, and make sure you're not drawing this back. I know some of you are. So for some reason we want to start the lawnmower or something. Nope, the elbow stays in front of your side seam. Okay, here we go. It's good to develop this to both sides. Working that brain. Follow step, deliver. Can we do one more, please? Here we are. Turn, follow step, deliver. Yeah, good. Now what I want to do is just go over a couple common mistakes, common errors in our brush knee. I think the number one mistake I see, and it doesn't matter whether it's Yang Style or Sun Style or whatever, I see people separate out their body and they step and then they turn. And that's really against the principles of Tai Chi. In Tai Chi, we move through whole body connectedness. And so this, just think of this as your revolving door, and this is sort of one of the panes, the dividers in the revolving door, and so it goes with you. Do you see that? The whole thing rotates and it goes with you. That also prevents you from trying to reach and take too big of a step. Just take it with you, and wherever that foot lands for your body, that's correct. weight shift, then pick up and follow step. I realize I changed direction. It doesn't matter which foot you're doing. Okay, I'll turn around now. Let's keep doing it to our right. Left hand up, weight on the left, empty stance. Now you're going to turn, and remember your leg is just one of those dividers in the rotating door. Weight shift, pick up, follow step, deliver. So the common mistake is reaching too far and leading with the leg instead of the whole body rotating, leg goes with it. Follow step, deliver. Let that back heel hang. Yeah. Okay. That's brush knee, and as promised, I told one of my YouTube viewers that I would go ahead and do the whole sequence, so let's go for it. And so here we are in our nice Sun Style higher stance, and your right hand up, weights on the right, hips aligned, empty stance left. Remember to turn the whole body as a unit, foot just goes where it's going to go. Weight shift, pick up the back foot, follow step, and deliver. Now we're going to do play the lute. So we do an itty bitty step back, not too big please. And it's as though somebody's going to punch at you and you're receiving them. You're not going to pull them, you're actually just guiding them. And then you slide up their arm with with your left. And then you follow step, and this is a gentle pressing down. That's play the lute. Yeah, you want to try it again? Okay, here you are. Turn, step, weight shift, follow step, deliver. Then you kind of extend out, receive this incoming like an arm, and you step back and you just guide it, and you slide your hand up the outside of their arm and follow step and deliver. Huh. Now with every down, there's an up, so your spine expands up. Doesn't mean you rise out of your stance. It's just a opening up of the spine and feeding this right down to your foot. Hope you're still with me. You're doing great. And turn, follow step, deliver. Keep going. Receive the incoming, guide it, weight shift back, follow step, and deliver. That's play the lute. All right, so let's move on to the next one. And remember, this is a video, so you can go back and watch it again and again and again. So here we are, turn the whole body, step, weight shift, follow step, deliver. Play the lute. Receive the incoming. Step back, you're kind of getting out of the way. Then follow step, and deliver down, a little downward here. Now we're going to do our parry and punch. Now I want you to turn your palms and your foot. And this gives us a wider base when we start walking. Your top palm is down, right palm is up, bottom palm is up. This is your left, this is your right. Ready? So now we're set up. So all we're going to do is step through. So we switch our hands, step through, and then we roll our palms for the next one. This foot, again, is sort of angled out. So now we step through. This time the toe is facing straight forward. Make two fists as you turn. Then you turn again back to your 90-degree point. You do a follow step and punch through. So your right hand comes over the left. Yeah. Then this part's really easy. You step back, you let it go, and here's somebody that's going to push you, so you just receive it. You're not going to push back. You're absorbing it. And they're falling into you now, so they start pulling. Step forward, and you go with their momentum, and off they go. That's what I call receive the tiger, push the mountain. Okay, so let's try it from our parry and punch. So we just got finished playing the lute. Your weight is on the right leg, left is empty stance. This is your left hand. Well, first thing we have to do for parrying or striking through is we have to get set up. So turn your heel in and your hands. Right hand up, left hand down. We step through, so we're going to draw in and strike as we step through. Then turn your foot out, turn the hands. We're going to do the same thing, strike through. Now this time your foot's straight, 2 fists. And then we'll follow step and punch through with the right. Let it go, step back. Follow step, receive the incoming, step forward, follow step, and deliver. Yeah. I can tell you want to do it one more time, right? All right, we will. All right, here we are. So we're going to brush knee first, follow step, and deliver. Receive that incoming, slide your arm along there, outside of their arm, follow step, and a slight downward as you expand up. That's play the lute. Now we have to do our parry. So we're going to get set up. Left hand down, right hand up. Step through with the right foot. Strike right hand. Turn the hands. Step through left foot. Then we'll make 2 fists. Follow step, punch through. Your right hand's on top. Release, let it go. Step back, receive, step forward, and press. Now at this point, you would either pivot back to the front, or if that's uncomfortable for you, you can simply step around to the front. And here we are. I'll turn, brush knee, weight shift, follow step. Play the lute. Follow step. Get set up. Strike and step. Get set up. Strike and step. 2 fists. And follow step, punch. Release. Receive the incoming, follow step. Deliver and follow step. Coming back to the front, so you should be facing me at this point. Yeah. All right, let's do it one more time with those minimal cues. And then what I suggest is just go back, review the video, and then the real test is, can you go to a different room with no video and do it? That's when you know that form. Turn, follow step, and deliver. Play the lute. Get set up. Strike right, step right. Get set up. Strike left, step left. 2 fists. Follow step, punch. Release. Receive the incoming. And follow step, deliver. Yeah. And there you have it. You could just learn that form to both sides and have plenty of beneficial Tai Chi to work with. Well, thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.